Auxiliary ventilation is a feature that allows for slight cooling of the vehicle prior to entry. So the use case for this would be the vehicle sitting in a hot parking lot. You would like to have a slightly cooler car to enter during that day. There's a couple of different ways to do this. So the first one we're going to talk about is here on the phone. You see this icon down here at the bottom left, and you will select it and then start auxiliary ventilation. You'll put in your code. Then in the vehicle, you'll see an icon here on the instrument cluster that tells you how much longer it's going to happen. Now you can turn this off in the same way that it was turned on by just selecting the button on your app. So it will turn that off and you'll get a notice here that the current heating ventilation was completed. Now there's a different way in case you leave the same time every day. If you want to plan somewhat of a timer, you go to Vehicle Details, Functions, Auxiliary Ventilation, and you can schedule a time in which the ventilation will happen. Okay, for us, I'm going to select 11th, and then 15, done. Then you can send that to the vehicle. Possibly have a detrimental effect on the battery. Please be aware of this. Accept. You'll enter your code again. And now it has been sent to the vehicle. Now once inside the vehicle, you can check this by turning on the vehicle. Here it tells you the next time a timer happens. And if you would like to start the auxiliary ventilation from inside the vehicle, you can select that here. Now, if you would like to set a timer from inside the vehicle, you can also do it by selecting the pencil here. You can select a departure time. In this case, we'll make it just after the other one. We'll make this day Thursday. Back. You can activate that particular timer. You now can use auxiliary ventilation in your new Cayenne.